lots of cold water. There's the river, College River. There's the mountains. The mountains.
The top of Mount Rainier.
Yeah, it's hard to see it.
You can't see it.
Yeah.
Unless you want to.
Welcome to Canyon Pathway. See, there's
Lost a lot of way.
yeah, here's the top of the Mount Rainier. Here's the top of Mount Rainier right there.
Barely.
Yeah, it's very tight, very far. But it looks good. Even tiny, very top
No snow
to the
on
tip,
it.
to the tip of the mountain. Right there, to the tip of the mountain, we can see the Mount Rainier, just the tip. Yeah. Now we're on the way to your property, but you can see the property, the tip of the mountain of Mount Rainier, right there. Yeah, it's good, just a little bit. And there's the another weird mountain. Okay, nice weather, hot sunny day, Saturday. Then tomorrow back to reality.
Next week back to in reality, non-reality.
Yeah, love that mountain right there. The mountain. Small town. Here's a pizza, and they have the restaurant, dining, side truck room, scenic. Here's the LB church, the tiny church. Then we're in here.
That's where we usually turn if we go to more.
That one right there.
Yeah.
In the bridge.
Yeah.
That's the bridge. Then the next is Ashford, Mount Rainier National Park, Paradise.
We'll be turning before that.
Yeah, mag-break na sa Pudiri. Sa Kalasangan. Kalasangan. Yeah. Dahil isagot. Dry leaves. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I know, but I like to do it in a way. So don't worry. Be happy, okay? Yeah, mag-break na sa pudiri. Sa Kalasangan. Kalasangan. Yeah. Dahil isagot. Dry leaves. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I know, but I like to do it in a way. So don't worry. Be happy, okay?